The Almanack of Naval Ravikant, A Guide to Wealth and Happiness. It's quite simply the best book I have ever read in my life. It is a tantalizing read filled with as much dense and beautiful information as I have ever come across. There is absolutely no filler in this book. There is no wasted space. It is a concise and dense and beautiful read. Naval is quite simply a remarkable man who has a unique ability to re-articulate some of the most important findings in humanity into approachable and concise language. He is unafraid to say what he thinks, and he's unafraid to go against the grain, and that comes out in his book. Naval has left a profound reasoning on my mind. He has the belief and conviction in what he says that allows me to change my own mindset. One of my favourite chapters talks about the importance of leverage, about how we can use some of the technologies and tools available to us to massively increase our output. There is a horrendous thought that prevails in culture at the moment that the more hours you put into a project, the more you're going to get out. The harder you work, the better results there will be. But this is a fallacy because we exist in an age of technology and leverage. The leverage can be either money, it can be labor, or it can be technology. For instance, it could be a book, a website, a movie, a film that could be reproduced millions of times at no extra cost to the input that you are inserting. It's a revolutionary way to change your mind. As growing up, I started off delivering newspapers at the age of 12, and each day I would be paid £2 which was probably about $3 a day for my 2 hours work every single morning. I did this 364 days a year with only Christmas off. And there was no way to improve my efficiency of delivering newspapers. This is your introduction to the job market, to capitalism, and it programs you. It programmed me at the beginning to see wealth as an hour worked, as an hour paid. But that is not how this game works. And as soon as you move on to that next level, up the ladder to entrepreneurship, and you're using other tools to increase your outputs, you are moving in a new league, in a new way. You become a different animal. Another chapter that resonated with me so deeply was a chapter on happiness, where Naval talks about reframing every potentially negative situation in a positive manner. For example, if you are late for your bus, you might say, well, now I've got more time to enjoy the flowers. Or if you lose your phone down the toilet, you'll say, well, at last I'm free of that damn awful beast I was addicted. This is the time I need to reset and evolve. This book is perfect for anyone looking to improve their life. It delves into everything from capital accumulation to the philosophy of happiness. I adore that this book is free. You can download a PDF or an audio version for no cost at all. I particularly recommend the reading list right at the end of the book. It has a wonderful list of books that helped Naval and that I have now begun reading through myself. You should read this book if you are looking to become wealthy and happy, and that should be everyone.